Why is clear communication vital in construction site emergencies? Imagine a busy construction site where everyone is focused on their tasks. Suddenly, an accident happens and chaos begins. How quickly and safely everyone responds depends on one thing: clear communication. When emergencies strike, confusion can lead to injuries or worse. That's why knowing how to communicate effectively during these moments is so important. It's not just about talking, it's about sharing the right information at the right time. On a construction site, hazards can change in seconds. A falling object, a fire, or a gas leak all requiring immediate action. If workers don't understand what's happening or what they should do, delays and accidents can happen. Clear communication helps everyone understand the situation quickly. It tells workers whether they need to evacuate, shut down equipment, or assist others. When instructions are clear, workers can act confidently without second-guessing. Having reliable tools for communication is also key. Two-way radios, text message alerts, and mobile apps allow instant contact. These tools help supervisors give instructions without delay. They also let workers report incidents immediately, so help can arrive faster. Regular training and emergency drills teach workers how to use these tools properly. When everyone practices these skills, they become second nature during real emergencies. Good site communication also means everyone knows who is in charge. A clear chain of command ensures that the right person gives instructions and makes decisions. This avoids conflicting messages that could cause confusion. It also helps workers understand their specific roles during an emergency. For example, some may be responsible for guiding others out of danger, while others handle first aid. Developing strong communication skills is part of essential construction skills. It supports safety regulations and helps prevent accidents from turning into tragedies. Workers who communicate well during emergencies are more confident and capable. This can even open doors for career growth, as safety leadership is highly valued in the industry. In the end, clear communication during construction site emergencies saves lives. It keeps everyone safe, speeds up response times, and keeps the project running smoothly. Building these skills through training and using the right tools is a smart move for anyone working in construction. Remember, in emergencies, words can be the difference between chaos and control.